Hey folks, I am going to show you guys how to insert a chart. This one using our temperature data from two cities on Lake Superior. So this is the summer data for July. So before you can make the chart, you actually have to have your data in your sheet, and then you got to select your data. So I'm going to select A1, which is July dates, and then I'm going to move over to column C, and then all the way down here. If I want, I can include averages or I can leave that off. I think for this one, I'm going to include the averages. I do not need these. These are just extra things I put in there for a different part of the project. So now that I have my data selected, I'm going to go to Insert, Chart. And spreadsheet programs like Google Sheets and Excel have gotten a lot better at picking the best chart for you to display your data. And I think that the line chart is our best chart to represent this data. If I did want to change it, I could go over here and change the data over there. Or I'm sorry, change the chart type to show my data. A couple of, and that's really it. One optional thing that I do like to do, edit, and then I like to move it to its own sheet to show you a big full screen chart. And so I think I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So move to own sheet. And so now it just makes it a lot easier to read that chart. If I wanted to later copy or publish this chart, if I needed to copy this chart and then put a picture of it in a Word doc or in a Google Doc, that would allow me to put that right in my doc. All right. We're not going to get into the analyzing data in this video. A couple of changes I would like to make though. It does label that this is this city here in Ontario, and here's the other city in Ontario. One thing I do want to do is customize my title. So you can double click on the title, or if you go to Edit Chart and click on Customize, there's the option here for chart and access titles. I'm going to go right over here. I do want to keep that in the title, but I want to be a little more specific. So this is doing a temperature comparison between these two Canadian cities. And then just hit enter or click off to the side here. So that saved that. The other thing I wanted to do is I wanted to change my vertical axis. So I want my vertical axis, no, not the grids and ticks. I want the vertical axis title. And so down here it put July as my title along the horizontal or x-axis, which is fine. That's good. But I want to put a title over here. Now I do have up here that this is degrees C, but I want to put a title there. So temperature, and that's degrees Celsius. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm not going to worry about adding in that degree symbol. This will be fine. All right, so now that's clearly labeled that this is temperature. This is the dates. These are the dates. And then these are showing a comparison of those two cities.